Good morning. I am out here in some nature, and it's like, oh my God. I always feel so much better when I come out into nature. And I'm actually relatively close and stuff, but at the same time, coming out in nature, breathing in this prana, gosh, and just being and accepting where I am at this moment. Oh my goodness. This is like everything. Yeah. I decided to make the video versus going live just because it seemed better at the time. But out here in nature. Ooh. I guess I probably should have went on Bigo. I went live. Good morning. Let me continue here. I did want to sit, but I see somebody got some stuff over here. But I need to sit for a little bit, a minute or two, because my back is hurting, which means I've been walking too long. Ooh. Ooh. I need to sit for a bit. I came out here also because I wanted to make a recording. Not this one, but another one. So I did that. I think I'll be using it as part of my meditation, music, background, even as well as sleep, because it's so serene. It's like really serene and really peaceful. Oh my. And I'm just sitting, oh gosh. Once my back decides it's going to cooperate and my leg, I'm gonna be back on this walk, headed back in, you guys. But it still feels so good to be out here in nature. It's been a while for me. It's nice. Okay. Is that not beautiful? Do you not feel the lovely energy? Right. So, I think I can manage again. Gonna head back. I'm just loving it out here. I gotta start coming out every morning. And it's really not that far. And I could do this. Instead of having to drive into my real favorite space. This can be my second fave. Can y'all see? Let me flip. Y'all see that?